Step into a world where architecture and nature intertwine. This is Casa Kalyvas, a stunning home in Colima, Mexico. Crafted with a masterful blend of materials, Casa Kalyvas boasts 5 unique facades. Textured concrete provides a modern foundation, while local stone adds a touch of regional charm. Warm Parota wood brings a sense of inviting warmth, and a striking ring of steel beams unifies the entire structure. The architects have created a perfect balance between intimate living spaces and expansive views. Here, the indoors seamlessly connects with the outdoors, inviting you to embrace the surrounding beauty. Casa Kalyvas isn't just a house, it's an extension of its environment. The heart of the home lies in this central patio. Imagine relaxing by the pool, surrounded by lush greenery, and listening to the calming sound of the fountain. Throughout the property, meticulously designed gardens create pockets of tranquility and freshness. The upper floor is dedicated to private spaces. Each bedroom boasts its own terrace, allowing residents to connect with nature and enjoy breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. The master suite offers a special sanctuary. Here, a unique collection of cacti and succulents adds a touch of whimsy against the backdrop of contemporary materials. Here's a look at the floor plan of the homes. Casa Kalyvas is a testament to innovative design. The strategic use of volumes channels refreshing breezes and natural light, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. More than just a house, Casa Kalyvas is a symphony of nature, light, and space. It's an invitation to live a life embraced by the beauty of the outdoors.